Here we have number 2. You're using the figure on the right to identify all of pair of the following. Consecutive interior. So let's take a look at what interior and exterior are first. So this is on the inside. This is the interior. So this is the interior. The reason why that is considered to be the interior because it's inside the two lines there, making this going to be the exterior. The line that cuts through it is referred as the transversal. Okay. Here you can now get the pairs. First of all, the consecutive or same side interior would be angle 2 and angle 6, because notice they're both on the same side and they're interior. Also, angle 3 and angle 5 are also same side consecutive interior angles. Next, you want to look for alternate exterior. Alternate exterior has to be on the outside. Alternating is when you're on one side of the transversal and you go to the other side of that transversal. So we can say angle 1 and angle 8 would be alternate exterior. The other angles on the outside is 4 and 7 would be the other one. Corresponding means same spot. So top left matches with this top left. Angle 1 and angle 6 is on the top left. Top right, we can say 2 and 7. We can now look at bottom left, 4 and 5. And then we have bottom right, 3 and 8. Now we want to look at alternate interior. Alternate interior, the only inside ones are 2, 6, 3, and 5. Alternating means they flip-flop. So this is on one side of the transversal. It has to be that other side of the transversal. So angle 2 and angle 5 would be alternating interior. Then you have angle 3 and angle 6. Here and here. Those are alternating inside.